Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first Green Compass box with you. I recently partnered with Green Compass because I have been on the hunt for ways to help nurses and moms and women and families just to feel better from the inside out. Holistic ways to help families. Holistic ways for moms to decrease their feelings of anxiety, to sleep better, to have better digestion, to just really take care of the whole person. So I'm excited to unbox this with you and share what I got in my Green Compass box. First of all, like the way this box opens, can we talk about this? Like, how pretty is it? I'm kind of a sucker for like pretty things, but it comes with their catalog, which is so beautiful, so well done, so clean. A couple of little info things. This is the Advocate workbook that it comes with. Since I decided to partner with them and share, I got the Advocate workbook. And so this is what I got in my box. Like, it looks like just a little self-care box, and I love that. So it came with some samples. These are the full spectrum jellies, and then some samples of the Reduce Pain Cream. All of these products have hemp flower extract or CBD. So I was honestly a little bit nervous to try CBD because there are, there's a lot of misinformation out there, and I think a lot of people just don't know what it is, or the fact that it is a very unregulated industry, meaning there are, CBD places on the corner of the street that don't go by the standards that Green Compass does. So Green Compass, the reason I partnered with them is because they are truly, truly leading the way in the CBD industry as far as the way that it's grown. It is clean. It is from their farms to this box into my home. They are in control of the entire process. Everything that they have is USDA organic, which I highly appreciate, as well as every single product has a QR code on the bottom of the box or the product that you can scan, and you can actually trace where the hemp came from, where it was grown, all down to the last detail, lab tested. So I really appreciate that transparency for products that I'm going to take for myself and share with my family and friends. So the first thing that I have in here is the broad spectrum hemp flower extract. And this is kind of like the basics, okay? So hemp flower extract, it is, has a dropper. You put this under your tongue. So you do 1 ml as a serving, you put it under your tongue, and it begins to absorb and it begins to work right away. So what CBD does is it actually works with your endocannabinoid system that you have in your body already. So this is a system that we are born with, okay? So CBD attaches to the receptors in the endocannabinoid system, and in turn kind of like turns on or relights some of those receptors. So if you think about like a Christmas tree that you plugged in from last year and only half the lights are lighting up, you want to replace those bulbs. So CBD is kind of like that for your body. So it comes in, and if there are parts of the endocannabinoid system that are just not working properly, CBD comes in, attaches to those receptors, and helps your body to achieve a state of homeostasis, okay? So the next thing I have in this box is the broad spectrum nano jellies. These are, again, USDA certified organic. These are little jellies that contain the hemp flower extract or the CBD. Okay, a lot of people start with these jellies and they start to feel better within, some people the first day, some people the first week, some people it takes some time to really let this process kick in. These are fully water soluble, so that means that they can be highly absorbed into your body. If there's any gummies that you've seen out there, those are only like 5 to 10% bioavailability, which just means that you are not absorbing hardly any. These are 90% and above bioavailable to your body. So you're actually going to absorb what is in this product. The next thing I got is this sleep boost, and this helped me the first night, okay? The first night that I used this, I was not expecting much. I'm gonna be honest. I was like, oh, it's probably gonna take some time for all of this to start working. Well, I had 1 ml of this earlier in the day, and then I did this one right before bedtime, and I swear I slept better than I had in months. So again, it's got like the little I think it's half a mil, so you can measure your dose. Okay, and so this actually does not have any CBD in it, but when you pair it with this hemp flower extract CBD, that is what actually makes it work even better. So this has lavender, vanilla, Roman chamomile, essential oils that really help with sleep, but it is turned on, if you will, by the CBD when you take that in conjunction with it. Doesn't have to be at the same time. Like I said, I took this earlier in the day and I took this before bed at night, but oh my gosh, I slept so much better. And like even my 3-year-old came to bed that night in our bed and I still slept well. This is amazing. Like every mom needs this. And then I was able to like wake up and then get back to sleep. So I don't know if you've ever had that where you like get woken up at night and you cannot go back to sleep. This is the jam. So by the way, I am gonna leave a $10 off coupon in the description box below so that you can try these products and get $10 off your first order. The next thing that I got is the full spectrum jellies. So these jellies actually have trace amounts of THC in them. It's really not enough that it's gonna like show up on, a urine screen or anything like that, but it does have trace amounts of THC. Now, it's an important, I haven't even opened these yet. It's an important thing to note the difference, okay? So CBD is not marijuana, okay? It's not. So we like to say like marijuana makes you feel and CBD or hemp helps you heal. Okay, so the things that you will notice when you're taking CBD are not things that you feel. They are more the absence of things. So the absence of anxiousness, the absence of insomnia, the absence of digestive issues. Those are the things that you're gonna notice when you start taking CBD daily. Now, the next thing that I got is the Reduced Pain Creams. It says Reduced Cream is formulated with deep penetrating ingredients to help support increased circulation, promote the body's natural healing process. So it has menthol, camphor, and it reduces or eases discomfort for active joints, tired muscles, and it has like a cooling sensation that helps you relax after an active day. So you can massage it into your skin. And this actually has 300 milligrams of CBG, which what I'm learning is that CBG is like the mother of all cannabinoids. It's very effective. So this is the Reduced Pain Cream. It has like a little pump. And apparently this lasts like a super, super long time because a little bit goes a long way. So if you know anyone or you suffer with pain, like in your neck and shoulders or, joints, this is a perfect thing to try. And it's only going to enhance the fact that if you are taking CBD inwardly and you start noticing, less joint pain, this is something that can help on the spot, whereas this is something that will help over time. So that's a really good combination to think about if you are struggling with pain and inflammation. The thing that I got was collagen. So I got 2. I got the lemon lime flavor and then the chocolate flavor. So I haven't tried the chocolate yet. I'm going to actually make a collagen hot chocolate with this. So I'm excited for that because it's kind of like that season of winter right now, and I'm excited to have like a good hot drink. And then this is the lemon lime flavor. So again, these have the nano enhanced CBG hemp flower extract. So it says CBG helps to magnify the effects of CBD when they're taken together with your daily hemp products. So CBD, when paired with CBG, is just going to magnify the effects of the collagen, which is really, really cool because this is actually going to help your collagen to work even better. So that is all that I got in my Green Compass box of all of my CBD products. And I am so excited to start sharing and educating more on this topic with you because I think it is honestly so important to educate ourselves and know how to heal our bodies naturally. And that is what the mission of this company is to find hope and healing in hemp. So make sure that if you're interested in any of these products, make sure you click the link below to grab $10 off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.